Hey guys, it's Todd. I've been with Alliance for 7 years. I'm the Director of Occupational Therapy, and this is Alliance Orthopedics.
What's up guys, I'm Joseph Motto. I'm one of our occupational therapists. I've been with the company for about 5 months now.
My name is Lauren Viscusi. I'm an occupational therapist with Alliance Orthopedics, and I've been with the company for 5 months now.
My name is Jenna Ambrosio. I'm an occupational therapist, and I've been with Alliance for about 10 months now.
First heard from Todd, reached out on Instagram, came into one of the offices, and once I saw the office, it was kind of just like, this is what I need to do with the rest of my life.
I was always very interested in learning about the human body, but then also helping people. So that kind of merged my two interests perfectly.
I was working in Florida and I was not happy at the place I was working at. I immediately noticed Alliance's culture, their high end modalities, their advanced treatment techniques. Told them that I really want to work for you guys and this was the place for me.
What I enjoy most about working for Alliance is honestly the culture and the energy and the vibe that you get when you come in, both from the patients and from the providers. All our providers, we're all so close. We're like a family. We're always there for each other and we always hype each other up.
You see different type of people coming in every single day and you get to build that rapport with your patients. And I think the relationship building is probably my favorite thing.
I get to meet new patients every single day, so I love bringing people in, introducing them to Alliance, getting to know a little bit more about them, what's important to them, and what they're having struggles with on their day-to-day, and just getting to know them and help them out.
Immediately when I walk through the door, I'm greeted with high energy and good vibes. If I have a question about anything, I'm not afraid to ask. I'm treated as an equal, which as an OT is very important, and it gives you a lot of motivation and confidence.
Highlight of my day has to be just coming in and seeing my coworkers. It's like you have a family with Alliance and you get to talk to these people every day. You're with these people more than you're with your family. So for me, my highlight is hanging out with just my coworkers.
So you have your doctors, you have your OTs, PTs, chiropractors, and the patient can get everything that they need in order to live the best quality of life that they can get.
I would say, as a new grad, this kind of hits home. You want to find somewhere that's going to focus on getting you better, because as new grads, we really think we know a lot, then we come into a real job and you're like, okay, I need to learn.
I worked as a new grad for another company and that was for 3 years, and I worked for Alliance for 10 months, and I've learned way more and grown personally and professionally at Alliance than I have working as an OT for a different company for 3 years.
It's never too late to reinvent yourself. It's never too late to change settings. For OTs, we can work with a ton of different populations, so it's never a bad time to learn a new skill set, totally kind of reinvent yourself. So I'd say there's no time like the present.
So when I first came to Alliance, they didn't know what OT was, and I knew what I wanted to do. And when I told them that I wanted to change the model of outpatient hand and not just keep it at straight hand, they were completely on board, and they let me build my brand of OT here, right? So that's where the ortho OT model really bloomed from. We love new grads, and the reason we love new grads is you guys are a blank slate, and everyone is so concerned about, I don't know the skills, I don't have the manual, but we could teach that. What we care about are good people and people who are passionate and dedicated and can build patient rapport fast. The rest we can teach. So our program that we've designed for occupational therapists when they come in is exactly that. We find good people, people with high energy, people who want to learn, people who want to grow, and then we teach them through clinical mentorship at a high level about how to be an OT that they never thought that they could be. Alliance Orthopedics is not where you want to work, it's where you need to work. We are changing the model of outpatient occupational therapy. So come be a part of the change. With collaborative care and continued mentorship, Alliance Orthopedics is where you need to begin your career.